Today, let us start a new lesson, that is lesson 3, fractions. We already completed the lesson 1 and lesson 2. So, our next topic is lesson 3, that is fractions. So, this lesson mainly we are studying multiplication and division of fractions. We already studied addition and subtraction of fractions in 5th class. All of you remember? Okay. So, before that, just we revise what is proper, improper and mixed fraction and its conversion. Okay. സോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാം കുറച്ച് പേർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയാത്തവരാണ് കൂടുതലെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മിസ് ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ജസ്റ്റ് വി റിവൈസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് പ്രോപ്പർ ആൻഡ് ഇംപ്രോപ്പർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ നൗ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ ഐ റോട്ട് ദ നമ്പർ 1/4. This is 1/4. So here we can see numerator is small and denominator is big. Numerator 1 and denominator 4. So numerator small and denominator big. So this type of fractions are called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. Next 2/7. Here also numerator small and denominator big. So this fraction also proper fraction. Okay. Next here also 4/9. Here also numerator small and denominator big. So these type of fractions are called proper fractions. Okay. Next we can see numerator 18/10. That is numerator big and denominator small. Here numerator big and denominator small. So this type of fractions are called improper fractions. Improper fractions. See, next 23/11. Here also numerator big and denominator small. So this also improper fractions. Okay. Next 101/53. Here also numerator big and denominator small. So this fraction also improper fraction. So now we study what is proper and improper fraction. Next is mixed fraction. See, suppose 2/1/3. See, here you can see a whole number and a fraction. This is the whole number. Whole number and this is the fraction. So this type of fractions are called mixed fraction. See, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, all of you. So 2/1/3 is a mixed fraction. One more example, 5/1/2. Here also whole number and fraction. So this is called mixed fraction. Okay, next 11/1/3. So this fraction also called mixed fraction. A number, whole number and fraction, it is called mixed fraction. Okay. Next we have to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. We know that this is improper fraction because numerator big and denominator small. If the numerator big and denominator small, then we have to convert into mixed fractions. Okay, how can you find mixed fraction? First example, 17/4. So we divide 17/4 first. Then 4 4s are 16. 1. Now we completed the division. Then we know that this is the remainder. Remainder, this is quotient and this is divisor. Next we can write how to convert mixed fraction. See, Q/R/D. Q means quotient, R means remainder, D means divisor. So Q is how much? Quotient is 4. Then remainder 1 and divisor again 4. So 4/1/4. Q/R/D means quotient, remainder and divisor. Okay. So 4/1/4 we got. Let's all of you. Next 43/5. First we divide 43 divided by 5. We know that 8 5s are 40. Then subtract 3. This is what? This is the remainder. This is the quotient and this is the divisor. Then how can you write? Q Q R by D. That is, quotient is 8 and remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. Okay, so we got 8 3 by 5. We got the mixed fraction, that is 8 3 by 5. Okay, next question, 86 by 7. We know that in 8, 1 7 is there, then again subtract 1, then 16, 2 7s are 40, again subtract 2, then we got remainder 2 and quotient 12 and 7 is the divisor. Okay, how can you write Q R by D? That is, quotient is 12, remainder is 2 and divisor is 7. Now we got the fraction, mixed fraction, that is 12 2 by 7. Okay, this is the way to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Understand all of you? Next, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so first question, 10 2 by 3. 10 2 by 3. We know that 10 is the, this is the form Q R by D. Q R by D. Then next you have to do is quotient. Quotient multiplying with the divisor. This quotient multiplying with this denominator. That is 10 into 3. Then add the numerator. This 10 multiplying with the 3. This whole part multiplying with the denominator. Then add the numerator. All divided by same denominator. This denominator is 3. So then write the same denominator. Then 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 33 divided by 3. Now we got the improper fraction. See, numerator big and denominator small. Okay. Next, sorry, here 30 plus 2 is 32. Okay. Next, second question, 6 1 by 4. That is, this whole part, we know that this is the whole number and this is the fraction. So this whole part, that is 6 multiplying with the denominator. 6 into 4, then add the numerator. All divided by same denominator. That is 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 25 divided by 4. Okay. Next, 25 1 by 3. Next question, 25 and 1 by 3. See, first we have to multiply whole number and the denominator. That is 25 into 3. Then plus 1. All divided by same denominator. Okay. 25 into 3, we know that 25 3s are 75 and add 1. 75 plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 76 by 3. Okay. So these are the examples how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Understood all of you? Okay, next in class we will start our lesson. Okay. These problems all of you practice and homework also do it. Okay. Thank you. See you next class. Have a nice day.